Hello guys. Here we have an HP. So I just want to share something with people who are using HP laptops. Okay, let's say you want to upgrade this PC, maybe to change the RAM or to change the hard drive or install an SSD or maybe increase the RAM, the memory, or you want to change the thermal paste. Whatsoever reason you have, but in case once you have opened this machine, the back cover, I like to share this warning with the HP users. You have to be very careful when you are closing this machine. People who are using this machine, they will know that these laptops, they break here. Usually they break here and here. Okay, so when you are closing this machine, you have to be very careful. Don't try. You see right now it's open. As you can see, I can't close it like this. The reason why is because if if I try right now to fold it into one, obviously it will break. These screw holders and the whole thing will just break apart because there's no supporting upper cover. There's nothing supporting the upper cover, the hinges. So if I try to fold it right now, it will break. Definitely it will break into pieces. So if you have this PC and you want to close it back to normally, what you can do is put your thumbs, you see your thumbs, okay, both sides, you hold, you support the hinge, you support the whole thing, and then you push down while you are holding with your thumbs, both thumb, and then you close it proper. And you do the same thing when you are opening it up. You put your, okay, try to find an edge, you put your fingers here, and at the same time you hold here, and you try to open the laptop, or otherwise it will break. I've seen this several times. I've seen it several times. Okay, that's why I like to share this simple video. And again, the best thing, don't even try to open this laptop. Once it's like this, don't try to open it up. Just put back the cover. Let's see if we are missing something or not. Everything is back there. So what you do, you close it back to normally. Push, 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 push. Show everything attached. Because guys, I'm telling you, I've seen this case several times. I've seen this incident where people break their HP laptops. I think HP was using I think HP here they used a very low quality plastic, so that's why their products are breaking now and then, and they have this tendency of broken hinges. They just along the way the hinges broke. They just break along the way. And I'm not lying. People who are using this HP, they will tell, and they know. And I will explain now why this thing breaks so often, and I wanna share some tips on how to prevent your laptop from having such horrible thing. Okay, let's put back the screws, all of them. I'll share a trick and a tip now on how to prevent your laptop from breaking into pieces, especially this model, this HP. Okay, put back everything. Okay, now we are ready to go. Okay, let me take the DVD ROM. Okay, we have the DVD-ROM. Now we only need one screw, one big screw. It was here, it was lying right here near my desk to hold what? To hold the DVD-ROM. Okay, I don't think this is the one. Let me try this one. This one is, to me, it's short. Okay, this is short. Let me take one long screw. Okay, I can try this one. I can use this one. Okay, let's use this one. Okay. Oh yeah, we are done. And now we need a battery. Where is the battery? Okay, the battery is right there. Okay, here. Okay, see, I hope you saw how I was opening this laptop. Let me show you again. See, when you're opening this laptop, okay, most people they will tell you most of this HP, the hinges they break here, even here they just break. Okay, I've seen such incidents. A lot of my clients they come here uh, looking for help, wanting to change this whole thing. Reason why, check when you're opening your laptop, don't hold it here on one side, okay? Because I believe that's where the problem starts. It's best to open it here, okay, here in the middle. And if you can take a close look, you will see that the HP they did something here and near the center. See here, there's something near the center where if you open or if you pull up or if you pick up the top lid here in the center. Okay, don't do it here. Don't do it here. You'll break your laptop. Okay, this is a tip. I hope someone will learn the thing. Thank you so much, guys.